Yes, we have the MATLAB screen. So we are going to go as per our plan. So we are going to deal first with organizing data. See this module comes under organizing data. The first topic, course example. So what is meant by organizing data? So that is what we are going to see here. So data, we have been predominantly seeing these data, the football team data for the past 2 days, right? So the English Premier League for points table. So you know the points table structure. It has team and it has all the statistics of the team. We have one more data where each team will have its manager name, when was the manager hired, what was the manager's nationality, and the payroll. So all these two yes, the data sets are for the same team, but two different aspects of the data. Okay. Now, why can't I combine these two so that I can store one complete data for the entire team? So why can't I do that? Should I have two separate tables? When I have two separate tables, you need to have two the separate memory locations to store the data. So it is going to take a lot of space. So why can't I merge these tables into a single data set? So that is what is the objective of organizing data, organizing the data in the way it can be stored in the database. So I am going to see the headers. How can I modify the data so that like table variable name? So you see the team name alone is a unique identifier. So I can keep the team name to be the unique identifier and I can merge these two tables and the manager hire date. So you can represent you can how can you represent date and time like the manager hire date. So here it is fully numbers, but here you see here you have decimal numbers, you have string, you have date, and you have perfect text. So all these data types are there. And you see here you have different data types. So how can you represent category data like manager nationality? So when you have data of different types, how are we going to organize the data and store into the database? So that is going to be the